Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to end Google One subscription. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google. So the first thing that we're going to do is type Google One. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. So go ahead and click on the second link, which is plans and pricing. Once you click on plans and pricing, right here, you're going to find all of the plans. So as you can see, guys, there is four plans. So there is the 15 gigabytes, which is the current plan for me, and it is the standard one. There is the basic plan, which is on discount right now. And there is the standards, 200 gigabytes. And lastly, the premium plan, which is 2 terabytes. So if you are already subscribed to a plan and you want to cancel it, go right here to the top and then type settings. So it's one.google.com/settings. Go ahead and click on it. And then it will take you to this page. So once you are here, you're going to find four sections. So there is the home section, storage, benefits, and support. So right here in the home section, you're going to find storage and more with Google One. Back up your phone, manage account storage, and learn about members' benefits. Right here, you're going to find the storage. Right here, the backup, if you want to turn it on or off. If you want to clean up space, you can click right here. Right here, there is the dark web report. From here, you can get the notifications of the email. From here, you can get more out of Google. With the Google One membership, enjoy exclusive features and extras that makes your life easier. So from here, you can view the details of each plan. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your membership. So under Google One membership, right here, you're going to find membership that you have. As you can see, guys, I don't have any membership, but if you have a membership, you can cancel it from here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.